Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Celestial Zodiac background stamp. The cling stamp measures 6 inches by 6 inches and the stamped image measures 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. I'm going to stamp it out for you so you can see all the details on it. I'll put it closer to the camera so you can see. What I love about this stamp set is it has all the zodiac signs on them and the stars, and this stamp set goes really nice with all our alien stamps and dies. I did make a shaker card for you. I paired the Celestial Zodiac stamp with the alien die set and the Slimline observation die, along with the Lost in Space Slimline paper pack and the simple sentiment strips. I heat embossed the stamp and then I ink blended it with Distress Oxide ink. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.